with the firing upon Tangkhul travelers yesterday by the Kuki militants at near Kiem Kasong, where 2 people were killed, many injured and many vehicles damaged. In this connection, the UNC convenes an emergency meetings with all the district apex bodies and frontal organization today. We condemn the barbaric act of the militants and took it as a direct challenge to the Nagas. In the meeting, we have decided to observe 3 days to mourn the deaths of the 2 Naga noble souls as per Naga customary practice, followed by candlelight vigils. During these 3 days mourning, there will be total shutdown with effect from midnight of 20th April to midnight of 23rd April. However, emergency services will be exempted from the purview of the total shutdown. Therefore, during this period of mourning, Nagas living in Manipur are asked to suspend all kind of social and economic ties with the Kukis in accordance with the Naga customary practice. The UNC also call upon all the tribes and organizations to uphold unity and solidarity in this hour to stand together as one people, as we are bound to protect our people and defend our land from any external aggression. We, United Naga Council, also appeal to all citizens to fully cooperate and bear with us at this point of time. Thank you.